In nature, tens of thousands of years are required for an amino acid sequence to evolve. But in biosynthesis technology, only one day is enough. With the development of biosynthesis technology, the medicine, new materials, etc., make a progress and the food shortage and energy scarcity are relieved. Therefore, the biosynthesis technology is support for carbon neutrality, green and sustainable development, which will promote human society into a new era. In the era of biological information, people can analyze nature and encode atoms to establish network structures based on different algorithms and synthesize different functional proteins, cell bodies, mucosa, tissues, organs, and even living bodies. Jinbo Pharma focuses on life sciences and successfully completes 7 collagen structure analysis items, which are included in the International Protein Data Bank, EDB. Jinbo Pharma has prepared the world's first recombinant humanized type 3 collagen through more than 20,000 experiments, which is a functional protein with the same sequence and structure as human collagen and a higher activity. Humanized collagen can intelligently identify cell loss, urge cells to conduct deep learning like AI, complete cell self-regulation in 28 days, and realize tissue and organ repair and reconstruction to obtain maximum benefits at a low resource and environmental cost. Jinbo Pharma is the first in the world to realize the standardized mass production of recombinant humanized type 3 collagen. It synthesizes collagen in E. coli by cell factory and biosynthesis technology, achieves large-scale production through fermentation technology, and obtains ultra-pure collagen with a purity higher than 99.9% through purification technology. Adhering to the principle of green and sustainable development, safety, controllability, and large-scale production, Jinbo Pharma has broken through the 3 major problems in the application of biological science, making technology applied in not only laboratory, but also tens of millions of families. Jinbo Pharma is a biological science research and development platform for planning the future of life and exploring the limits of life research.